I've always felt like the hierarchy was dirty or not organized. So I found this little piece of code online from this page. I'm not going to go through everything one by one, but you can download everything, the links below. And basically what this does is that every game object that starts with this 3 lines, we're going to paint it gray and have the shadow label. So if I go back to Unity and I'm going to create an empty object, put it at 0, 0, 0. Doesn't really matter where you put it. I just like 0, 0, 0. And I'm going to name this dash 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 level design. And here we have a different type of label from everything else. We have the gray and the shadow design. I'm gonna put it up here, and I'm gonna put all the background game object underneath. Same with the platform and the rest of background. And I'm going to do the same thing, create an empty game object, and I'll name it dash 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 camera. I'll put this here, and we have the cameras. I'll also have a label called characters. Put it here. I'll have lighting and settings. I'll create one more because everything that gets instantiated now will be based on real time. So if I play, this is not going to do anything. It's just an empty game object with a different label. But for me, it's just a little more pleasing to the eye. And we have everything that gets instantiated real time underneath a single label. You could put it under as a child object, but I don't like doing this because in case with characters, every one of them has to be a separate game object. So I'm just going to leave this like this. You can delete it if you don't like it, but I just think this feels a little more organized. And that's it for this short video. And I'll carry on with the rest of the game dev starting from the next video. Thanks for watching.